If you're an adventurous family and you love getting to places that others only dream about with their luxury home on wheels, well, let me introduce you to one of the best off-road family vans you could possibly look at, the Vision RV Nirvana 16-foot double bunk hardtop. Let's go. How good do they look just standing still? But let's get this bad boy opened up and show you all the awesome features. Righto, let's get started. Awesome big entry door here, guys, that you get with the hardtop. It's got the midgy mesh on the inside, secure mesh on the outside. Absolutely brilliant door. Got your aluminium double fold out step. Really strong handle for the kids and yourselves to be able to get in and out of the van easily. And let me show you one of the biggest game changers in how we've been able to achieve awesome family experience in a 16-foot. And we've brought the useless kitchen from the inside in a lot of instances, and we've made this incredible kitchen for you to enjoy outside whilst you're enjoying your incredible location. It's so easy to use, it's so easy to set up, and it's so easy to pack up as well. Double ceiling hatches all round, absolutely the best. And then what we've done with that hatch is we've pulled it down so we don't compromise on any of the windows in that awesome experience of being inside. We've done a landscape kitchen, not some difficult to slide out and set up like a transformer kitchen from the front there. Stainless steel cover here, that allows you to use induction cooktops, infrared barbecues, and put your hot stuff down without damaging it at all. You've got the slide out cooktop. Awesome array of shelves here for all your bits and pieces. We've got some really great shelves that are adjustable. I use MSA bags with all my stuff, plates and cups, etc. So that means that when we go out for day trips or we want to just throw some stuff in the back of the canopy, we could just grab it out of here and go. Moving along, two great pantry drawers here, all manual switches for all your lights, etc. So white or amber. Great stainless steel sink down the bottom here with a hot and cold flicker mixer here on the hose, very handy. Nice big fridge on the outside as well. This complements obviously the other fridge that we've got inside, another 110 litre inside. So nice big dual zone out here, it's really convenient. Got your manual water tank gauges here for all your tanks, easy to see, they always work. And when I say pack up, guys, it's literally walk along and you just push everything in, shut the hatches up, it's locked up, go to bed. It's also secure if you're in a bit of a questionable area. But finishing off your great outside, living and kitchen experiences, our lovely big barbecue compartment here. This fits any barbecue you could possibly want on the market. I mean, I'd be surprised if you find one that doesn't fit, but we've given you a nice big aperture here for even your high top Webbers, etc. We fit a lot of the time pellet smokers. Very, very popular these days. And again, nice big handy drawer here. This is where I keep all my bits and pieces. This is my domain. I'm not really familiar with that part of the van, but I tell you, down here, I cook up a storm. And it's all easily tucks away, all the barbecue smells and those kind of things. When the van heats up, you're out for the day and you've got your barbecue inside here, there can be some ordinary smells that really generate from that. Having the barbecue inside the van, let me tell you, after a hot day, your van will smell like last week's marinade. So nice, easy goes away. And to finish it off, guys, you've got another hot and cold shower down here, which is easy for rinsing things off down here in the barbecue, or rinse it off the feet for yourself or your kids so you don't walk all the sand and the muck onto the mat and then into the van. So guys, let's head round to the front of the van and I'll show you this awesome toolbox. Starting with the front, we've got a tapered angled front here, works as a great stone shield. It's got genuine Raptor finish on the front, not substitute rubber or water tank liner or something like that. We've got a great apron of mud flaps to stop all the debris going up underneath your van as well. Jerry can holder, full water manifold here to be able to fill and drain all your tanks independently. Got a couple of gas bottles, another jerry can holder there. I don't carry jerrys, I actually put my external floor mat in here, which is good because it gets it out of the way. And even if you pack it up and it's a little bit damp or it's got sand in it, it's easy to put away and clean. Then we've got an awesome top up here, guys. This is great for being able to mount bike racks and all those kind of convenient things for families. I know I actually travel with 4 Thule bike racks up here because I've got 4 kids, and it's a great use because it comes out over the front and it's a great place for the bikes. Out of the way, they don't hang off the back. I've carried a heap of firewood up here. Again, I've packed up after a muddy, wet experience, and all the mats and everything can go up. This great sort of surround here is good for strapping things down on the front, makes it really cool. Again, hot and cold shower to stop you getting your mat and that side of the van dirty. Nice long A-frame here, guys. Super strong A-frame, but we also give you a really good length between the pin and the toolbox. So not only do normal vehicles can do 90-degree turns, but your American trucks can too as well. So allows for awesome maneuverability when off-road. DO35 coupling, you've got a great jockey wheel here with a full extension, and it stays on the van. So that means you can get your A-frame really high or really low. So it's convenient for some of those, you know, tough off-road places where maybe not level or set up for caravanning. Another hot and cold shower over here. And then on this side here, guys, we've got another slide out here. I carry my tools in that side, which is great because then I can just slide it out. I've got all access to all my tools and all of those kind of things. Another big drawer and a pole carrier. It's an incredibly strong bit of gear, guys. Super practical. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, showing you the lifestyle side, let's show you the business side. Moving along, guys. This is your vent for your composting toilet. This runs constantly through a 12-volt fan and it comes out through a charcoal filter, meaning that you'll never get any toilet smells inside your van. It's a very, very handy bit of gear. This is a Gusto dust reduction system. This pushes filtered air into your system, into your van, to make sure that you don't get any dust in your van. Massive big windows for the kids. I think when they're hanging out in their bunks, it's awesome to have a big window to be able to enjoy the wonderful places that they go. Again, nice big windows for the parents up here for their bed as well. Then down what we've got here is we've got your Truma hot water service, some venting for your electrical system and the proper venting for your batteries in there as well. All your electrics in and out, and some great big storage compartments here for you as well. Look at the size of this storage, guys. Amazing big double sealing hatches, proper aluminium hatches. There's no sort of dinky plastic hatches in these vans. Everything is built super strong. So guys, come with me, let's show you the back of the van and how a little bit more about the construction as well. Well guys, I'm going to get a bit technical here just to touch on a little bit of the construction and some of the off-road capabilities of this van. Starting with your rear bar is actually a chassis extension, and that gives you a really good strong rear end and great departure angle with that cutaway rear. That partners up though with this modular rear bar where we've got a good configuration of bolt holes there. So we've got a whole myriad of different accessories that you can have on the back. Two spare wheels, jerry can holders, outboard mounts, wood boxes, etc. Very, very cool configuration there with a lot of different options that you can do. Really great bright lights here is with the progressive lights there as well. Now we use one piece of fiberglass that goes, composite material that goes all the way from the back, over the top and down the front, no joints. It's really strong. And then that's partnered through to incredibly strong walls here as well, guys, with this excellent edge capping. This is 4 mil thick and there's 1 mil of adhesive cavities inside here as well, which makes sure that this exoskeleton for the caravan is incredibly strong. Now guys, I'd also like to run you through all of the strength of the van with the amazing panels, the extrusions, the chassis, the suspension, but that's for another video, guys. So let's head into the inside. Working on the inside, guys, it's an incredible practical inside with this van because we've got such incredible living experience outside with the kitchen and all those facilities. We've been able to make sure the inside is absolutely on point with function and still delivers some of those creature comforts that us as big caravan people were uncompromising when we compressed our big caravans down into this small unit. Starting out with, you've still got a great kitchen space inside. You've got a convenient 110 litre fridge here. So it opens to the outside, but not only that, you can still get to it whilst you're inside. And the benefit of the hardtop is incredible insulation as well for both temperature and sound, but you get incredible amounts of storage in this van. And because we're a fully fabricated aluminium cabinetry on the inside, we're able to maximise every millimetre that this interior can present. So in fact, we actually have more storage in this 16 foot than we had in our 23 foot quad bunk family van. So, and that was absolutely one of the things that I was uncompromising in with the design of these vans. So we've got a great combo toilet shower down the back here with the composting toilet. When we compressed a family van, there were plenty of things that we just would not compromise on. And that's an incredibly comfortable big bed for mum and dad. The windows, massive windows throughout this van, and that's also then amplified with being a hardtop. We could put even bigger windows in again. With the hardtop we get overhead storage and plenty of it. That's also for the kitchen as well. But then moving through the vans, underneath the dinettes and underneath the bunks, for example, have massive drawers, and that's really practical, so you can take plenty of gear, you know, all the shoes, the socks, the undies, the quick dries and the going out gear, the dress thongs, the work thongs. Look, we haven't compromised either in the creature comforts for the kids. You know, each bunk gets a fan, each bunk gets a nice, you know, telescopic light so they can read at night, etc. USB sockets for the kids and also for mum and dad. The pillar that divides the bunk beds and the main bed, it's got some really convenient nooks, various little bits and pieces in there as well. We've also got, with the double bunk, this awesome bunk that tilts up out of the way, so you could use the bottom bunk as an opposing lounge, and the table that comes out, the telescopic table, is massive and really easy to set up and pack up. Because I don't live in any fantasy land that every day is rainbows and unicorns on the beach like some influencers try to portray. There are going to be days where it's blowing, it's raining, there's bugs, there's dust, and you just want to hide inside for a little while, play some card games, you know, get on the iPad, get on the laptop, whichever. You can easily do that in this van, guys. Even with the combo toilet shower, it's a huge space inside. You've got awesome cabinetry in there to keep all of your toiletries and all of the bits and bobs that you need to keep in your bathroom. We've got a tapered aluminium floor in there as well, so the water will always drain away. We're 100% timber-free construction. Laser cut aluminium and powder coated cabinetry on the inside, synthetic stone bench tops, you know, everything is super practical, really easy to clean. All the cabinetry is keywayed together, so it is incredibly strong. Having 4 kids, I really know what it's like to travel with a lot of kids in a caravan, and there was no compromise with the design of this van. As you can see, we still have all those awesome creature comforts that a big van has. We've compressed it down into an incredible adventure vehicle. Now you've seen it with your own eyes. Yes, you can travel in a 16-foot family van without compromise and go to the most amazing places you've dreamed of. Come and see us today at Vision RV.